Abhi sab,
Welcome.
Introduction.
Isma.
Apart from being Ahmadi, I was that person who took Mr. ذوالفقار Bhutto to the gallows. I tied his hands, tied his legs, and he was hanged. I am the only Ahmadi in whole of the world witness of that hanging.
What's your name?
I witnessed myself. Majid Qadiani.
MashaAllah. What's your position? Your career, your position, what was that?
I was assistant superintendent at that time at ڈیالہ, India.
I see.
And I was in charge of the cell there. Throughout his career, he remained in the jail for 323 days, and I remained there.
MashaAllah.
And I had so many meetings with Bhutto. He was very much impressed with my behavior, and he would only, if anything problem there was there, only who could, I could satisfy him. And he would trust upon me.
So, did you tell him that you are Ahmadi?
Yes, he knew me.
He surprised?
Because before he was selected as Prime Minister, I took part in his campaign for Prime Ministership and polls, etc.
MashaAllah.
He knew me very well.
MashaAllah. So, did he feel sorry about the decisions he made?
Yes.
Did he say that?
He never confessed. He never confessed that he's involved in murder, but it was proved that he was involved.
Yes.
There is my interview on the TV, and they asked me when he was not involved, why he was hanged. Then I said it was the God who was angry with him, and he didn't want his whole life.
Allah. God please you.
Yes, I was there.
But who put them on board?
He was, his name was Tara Masi. He was a Christian.
Christian, who put them?
But I took him to the, tied his legs, tied his hands, and stretched him from here.
Which is more strong. Stronger than to hang him. To tie him, with him, he is alive. It's more strong.
It took about 2 hours to tell him that this night is the last night of his life and he's going to live.
He was crying, he was afraid.
When I told him that this is the last night of his life, then he started telling me. And after about half an hour, then he could tell anything about it.
What he asked before is
Did he wish anything, you mean?
Oh, no, never.
No, he didn't.
you asked him, do you want any
Yes.
last wish? You asked him.
I asked him, anything he wants to say to Bendel.
His
He
daughter.
said, no, I have told him to them, and it is now it will be written in books.
Thank you. Ahlan wa sahlan. Nice to meet you.